and welcome to Xander Meets World. Today you're seeing one of Xander's favorite toys, and this one is with Peppa Pig. This is Peppa Pig's Learn and Discover book. It has lots of fun for kids, and I think you'll see it's pretty exciting. So first, to get it started, you're going to hit this power button right here.
Let's really explore.
Which should be a familiar sound for everyone. Now, you can change the volume right here as you would want, and you have different people that can come in. Of course, you have Peppa Pig.
Hey! My friends are so much fun.
Of course, you have her little brother. Then you have Daddy Pig.
Very good.
And Mama Pig.
Good idea, Peppa.
Then as we open the book, we get a story.
Bring the letter V. Press the light up button to answer the question.
Now, these will be depending on what you select. So if you want to learn your alphabet,
Let's explore letters. Press the light up button to learn about A. B.
simple and easy to learn your ABCs and more. Then, if you want to listen to some music,
Let's listen to music. Play along by pressing any button.
and as you can see, you can have lots of different songs play. Now, if we want to read,
Let me tell you about my day. We imagined we were on an island and we found hidden jewels.
it will read what's on the left side, and you'll get each of the letters from island to jewels to kite to lake, which shows you I, J, K, and L.
To read with me.
Then, if you want to be challenged, you can hit this little magnifying glass and try to find the letter.
Researching game. Let's look for the letter K. Use the correct light up button.
And then you want to make sure you hit the right one.
K. Well done. Try finding the link. Press the light up button to answer the question.
So it can be a lot of fun. And that is what you can do with Peppa Pig's Learn and Discover book.
Open your book to place.
And once you're done, she says, "See you later," and then you're all set. Take this on the go with you. Very easy and lots of fun to play. These are made out of paper, so you do want to be careful, and the lights are very simple and easy to press. Hopefully you did like this. If you want to buy one of your very own, the link will be in the description down below. Thank you as always so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to find more toys from Xander Meets World. Thank you again and have a wonderful day.